This is Nathan Schmidt with Earl, Owen Company. Today we're going to be installing and spotlighting the all-new Extang Trifecta ALX bed cover on this 2022 Chevy Silverado. This specific bed cover fits the 2019 new body styles through the 2022 Silverado Sierras. Let's check it out. So we're going to be installing this bed cover ourselves today. It should be a pretty quick and easy process. Extang says it takes around 30 minutes, and all you need is a tape measure, pliers, a knife, a 1/2-inch socket, or a wrench. Let's go ahead and get started. First step in the process is, of course, to get the bed cover out of the box. We're gonna go ahead and take the cover and set it up against the bulkhead. Go ahead and unhook the latches, both sides. After you undo the latches, we'll go ahead and fold the bed cover open. And lay it on the bed. Now we're going to close the tailgate. Now that we got the bed cover open and placed on the bed, we're going to make sure it's evenly put on the bed, and that's where your tape measure comes in handy. We're going to measure each side. To know it's properly fit, you look at these little rubber seals right here on each side. Make sure it's lined up. Also want to make sure on this tailgate seal that these first two fins are touching the tailgate. So we're good to go. We're properly aligned. The next step is get the clamps on at the front of the bulkhead. We'll go ahead and gently open the bed cover. Be sure not to move it around any, and we're going to go ahead and put the clamps on the front of the bulkhead. So we'll gently open the bed cover, making sure not to move it around at all. Go ahead and slide the clamp over, hook it on the bed rail, and hand tighten. And we'll do the same with the other side. Now that we have the clamps all fastened on, we're gonna go ahead and completely close the tailgate. And then we're gonna work on the striker brackets that lock this tailgate in place. Now it's time to install the striker bracket. The striker bracket is what the latch locks onto when you close your bed cover. In some of the older models, Extang provides torque wrenches to put the striker bracket onto your bed, but in this newer model, we have to use a 1/2-inch socket. So let's go ahead and get to installing the striker bracket. Go ahead and insert the nut plate down through your stake pocket hole. Now we're going to close the tailgate and make sure that the latch is secure to the striker brackets. So the latch is not locking onto the striker bracket, so we're going to go ahead and loosen these bolts a little bit and push it up into the latch and hand tighten for now. All right, so on this, we're going to take our 1/2-inch wrench and loosen this up, lock it into the latch like so. Go ahead and tighten down and tighten up the latches right here. They come from the factory loosened, so you can adjust them accordingly. We'll go ahead and tighten this one. After we tighten the latches, now we're going to tighten the actuator mechanism. The provided 2.5 millimeter hex key, go ahead and secure the latch cables. Now that those are tightened, we want to go ahead and rotate the actuator knob and make sure the latch is disengaged. And they are. All right, so we're going to go ahead and fold the bed cover forward, and we need to tighten with a T20 wrench both latches on the driver and passenger side and the mechanism right here. Okay, now that we got the actuator knob and the latches fully tightened down, we're gonna make some last minute adjustments. We'll go ahead and close the tailgate like so. Now everything's installed and tightened. Latch works. The last step, install the tethers on the rail. And that concludes the installation of the Extang Trifecta ALX bed cover. It was fairly simple, didn't take long at all. Hey, let's go ahead and go over some of the features about this bed cover. You can easily open this cover with one hand thanks to its rotary knob, not found on traditional clamp-on soft fold bed covers. With a simple twist and lift motion for instant access, into your bed. The Trifecta ALX also features an auto latch component that automatically secures in place as the cover makes contact with your truck bed, letting you know with confidence that the bed cover is securely closed. The Trifecta ALX is made of Ancona pebble grain fabric that is durable, easy to clean, and is water resistant to help preserve your bed cover and protect your cargo. This bed cover offers 2/3 bed access while driving by simply folding the cover up to the third panel and latching it in place. And if needed, you can easily remove this cover for full bed access by loosening up the front clamps and lifting the cover off. It's that easy. Hey guys, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Remember to tune in every week for more truck related products like this. See y'all next week.